we're going to show you how to make awesome DTF prints like this, left chest, big back, even a back neck label, and without a DTF printer. And the video starts right now. So guys, doing artwork and getting DTF prints is simple, but it's not easy, okay? One of the things that you're gonna wanna do, and I'm gonna show you, is two things. First of all, whatever your ground color is, you wanna pull that out of your art, right? This is already, we're putting this on a black background, and you can see all the, it may look funny, right? Once we put it on black, it's going to look beautiful. This also has some rasterization in it. That's a really complicated subject. We're gonna get into that, but this is all about pulling the blacks out. So if you look right here, you can't really see it right now, but if you look, you're gonna see that inside of here, you're gonna see no dark colors, right? That's because the ground color is gonna fill in for all of the darks and the shading, right? And when it comes together, it makes a really beautiful effect, all right? And this is something really trendy right now. This is gonna be a big back print, right, with a left chest, and we're gonna put the back neck in it too. So the finished product is gonna look like this, but you see those ugly black boxes around? You see how this clown looks on the top? You don't want that. You want it to look like the one on the bottom. And once you remove that black box from the artwork, it goes from that to this, nice and clean. All right, but I'm gonna show you in practice. Let's get back to the video. So what I'm gonna do right now, right, and by the way, this is a gang sheet. Now, to get a gang sheet, you go to store.supercolor.com. You can go right here to shop gang sheets, or you can go to buy super DTF. You go in, you upload your artwork. So simple. It automatically detects your size. You go down, you add the cart, bang, you buy it. Okay, meaning that you can put multiple art on one sheet, cut them all out, put them together, and make something beautiful. Okay, so let's get to cutting. That's our back print. This is our neck label. And this is our left chest. As the Uri Ma'ara used to say, there are money angels, all right? Some metaphysical stuff. So anyway, we're gonna take this over to the heat press, and we're gonna get busy. So we're gonna take our shirt, and we're gonna do our left chest over here, and we're gonna give it a nice pre-press. Now, to let you guys know, when you're doing left chest, I've been doing this long enough. Your left chest always comes down from your high point shoulder. This is your high point shoulder. And it always comes straight down, and the center of that, you can make the center, you can actually do your finger like that. It always comes straight down, centered, okay? That's where your left, sometimes you see people and it's over here, it's like in their armpit. No, it's like right about there. Okay, I know some of you are like, why is he talking about that measuring when he has the ruler? You're right. There's the small ruler right here with the left chest measurement right there. There's also the big ruler. You can just go in, measure everything, and print. It's great for back prints too, but I shot this in LA and I didn't have it. But anyway, you can get the T-shirt Help Desk ruler and the Excel rule at t-shirthelpdesk.com. Links in the description too. Back to the video. Okay, and that looks good. We're gonna knock that out. But you see how there's no hiccups with it? All right, that looks really good. That's our finishing press, just for a few seconds. Look at that. I mean, it almost looks like it's glowing in the dark, right? That was awesome. Okay, let's get that big back. Let's get that big back going. And I'm still gonna press this again, just to have a nice flat surface. Just real quick. Nothing too crazy. And we're gonna put that right there. We're gonna rock out, just like that. Peel. I mean, guys, that looks good. Good Lord. You ain't never seen a DTF print look like that before. Huh? Ever! Okay, I'm just kidding. But it does look good. No, seriously. Come on now, stop it. It looks too good. I gotta let the damn thing up. I mean, guys, come on now. Come on, stop. Stop it. All right, so now we're gonna take this to a whole nother level. We're gonna get this. Oh, this is why you always, when you buy your blanks, you wanna get rip away tags. You know what? We're gonna take this to the next level. We're just gonna, because we don't wanna mess up. When the shirt looks this good, you don't wanna mess it up. So this is hedging our bets. So we're just gonna turn it inside out, and this way we had no problem. No problem. And then we wanna put that on the inside, just like that. And guess what I'm gonna do? I'm still gonna give it another press. Hold on. Give it another press and pull a little bit, just to kind of pull out the wrinkles and press at the same time. There we go. Now we're cooking with hot grease. Then we take that, we put it right there. That's right, right? Bam. Pop. Pop, go to weasel. I'm gonna hit it with finishing press. And by the way, if you notice that I'm not using a pressing cloth because it already has it, okay? So I'll always use a pressing cloth, but it's already put on top of the heat press, okay? So we're gonna take that out. Look at that. Beautiful. And look at this. I mean, come on, you know you wanna rock that. And this is the power of knocking out the ground color and a little bit of rasterization, all up in here. Let's go back over here. So guys, this is the power of understanding knocking out your ground color. First of all, you know, do and use good artwork, but knock out that ground color, and rasterization never hurts, because this looks amazing, okay? And there are money angels. Let's show this front, right? Left chest, big back, really nice trend. And of course, you always wanna brand your stuff. I mean, this gives perceived value. It really looks like something that you see in a store. So anyway, guys, make sure that you go to Supercolor, go to superdtfstore.supercolor.com, get yourself some transfers and start your t-shirt business. Anyway, guys, I gotta get out of here. I fooled around with y'all long enough. I'm finna put some butt on my shoes and slide on out the door. Till next time, peace.
T-shirt Help Desk.